This is going to be problem 3.4, our story problem, number 25. Here we have a table with some information, so let's first read out our problem. The table shows the number of pre-ordered tickets for a 3-day showing of a play. The theater has a seating capacity of 5,400 people. Write and solve an inequality that represents the possible number of tickets, T, that can be sold at the door for each night of the play without exceeding the seating capacity. So what do we know from the table? We know that Friday we have a pre-order sale of 3,488. We also know that the capacity is 5,400. We also know that we have a variable T here that we're going to use because that's what we're given. So if I have a number of tickets that I can sell, and I'm going to add that to 3,488, my inequality says that that has to be less than or equal to 5,400 because 5,400 is the capacity. We can't sell more tickets than that. So now that we've set up our inequality for Friday, we're going to then go and solve the equation. So we have the inequality, T plus 3,488 minus 3,488 has to be less than or equal to 5,400 minus 3,488, since we've already sold that many. So over on the left, these cancel out because that is equal to 0. So that means that T has to be less than or equal to 5,400 minus 3,488. So that is our inequality. So now we have to solve it for the number of tickets that can be sold on that night. So I've got 2 there, I've got 1 there, 0 there, and I end up with 1,012. So on Friday night, so we have to solve the inequality. On Friday night, I can sell less than or equal to 1,012 more tickets. So that's Friday. So given that, for Saturday, and then for Sunday, you're going to follow the same procedure. You're going to set it up for Saturday as T plus 4,109 has to be less than or equal to 5,400. And then solve. And this one, you're going to subtract 4,109 from both sides of the equation to get your total. Sunday, you're going to have T plus the pre-sale of 4,573. That has to be less than or equal to 5,400. On this one, you're going to subtract 4,573 from both sides and come out with your number of tickets. So I want you to tell me how many tickets on Saturday can be sold and how many tickets on Sunday can be sold. If we do both of those steps, we have written the inequality, and then we can solve the inequality by telling the possible number of tickets that can be sold for each night at the door. And then you can answer it below. On Friday, we can sell less than or equal to 1,012 tickets. So 1,012 is the most we can sell. And then you're going to fill out Saturday and Sunday. Set up your inequality and then solve your inequality.